hello minikube. So if you still need to understand the concept here, there is understanding Kubernetes part where will define concept, and moving forward we will look into that part as well. So I say try Kubernetes hello minikube. You click on that, said this tutorial shows you to run a simple app in Kubernetes using minikube and Katacoda. Katacoda provides a free in-browser Kubernetes environment. You can also follow this if you install minikube locally. I would like to install it locally. Don't like Katacoda. So here you click that link. It says minikube start. Minikube is a local Kubernetes focusing make it easier. So it should have 2 or more CPU, 2 GB of free memory, 20 GB of hard disk, internet connection, blah blah blah, and container virtual environments such as these: Docker, HyperKit, Hyper-V, KVM, Parallels, Podman, VirtualBox, or VMware Fusion. So we will use Podman here, and how do you do this? It's gonna be Linux, SSH, stable, Debian package, RPM. How we do RPM? Yeah, let's do this RPM. So let's copy this command. Actually copy. Go to your terminal. Paste both command. So oh, sorry. Let's go to terminal. Okay, and you do minikube. Okay, so minikube is installed. All you need to do is to run this command. If you are using Debian, then you can use the Debian part, or you can do the binary download, but I'm using Fedora, so I'm going to be using RPM packages. So the next thing is minikube start. Let's try that. Minikube start. KVM Fedora default address. So it says Docker is not installed. Okay. You can install one of these driver, Docker, KVM. VMware, VirtualBox. Do you have Podman? Podman version. So it says if minikube help fails to start, then go to this page. No driver. I think VM based preferred, container based preferred. Let's go to the apartment. Minikube start. Then you do driver apartment, and the runtime is cryo. Let's do this one. So clear this and paste this here. Apartment container cryo minikube version. I'm using apartment driver best. Due to the provider apartment not runs to minikube. Not running. Password. What? Sudo password is required. Suggestion: add user to sudo user file. This is the suggestion. Add your user to sudo files. No password. User pin apartment. I am in the sudo. Let's read that. Turn install minikube. Non-issue. Required password. Let's running. If you run into error about sudo, do this. Sudo vsudo. Okay. Let's follow this instruction. Sudo vsudo. Sudo. Okay. Follow it and username. Okay, so hold on. The heck? Quit that. Run this command again. It will tell you what you need to do. So you just copy that. You just copy that, and you do vsudo command, sudo vsudo, and check where the all is. So I think allow to very end. I will put this command at very end. So let's paste it here. No password. Okay. And now run it. Okay, looks like it is working. Cool. Very helpful documentation. I'll be right back. Okay, what's going on? Okay, I think it's preparing. Something happened, so I gotta be patient here. Preparing Kubernetes. By the way, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Twitter. I will put the links there. You can also go to my website, which is carrysoft.com, and I will be putting some documentation and articles over here. Yeah, Twitter is twitter.com. I think I'm not logged in here, but I need to log in here. Okay, let's go back to the thing. Looks like Kubernetes is installed. Minikube